Do you see this? You can make this type of money come into your bank every single month by just following this video, and I'm going to show you everything you need to know in order to make that money passively. Now I'm going to show you also how can you acquire that. How can you build that money? Also, how can you get traffic to that website and make the money? Also, I'm going to show you everything involved in order to do that. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn the notification on so you get notified whenever I release new video. Also, make sure to like this video if you haven't already, and let's dive into the video. Now, the website that you need to go to is called, first of all, if you have an affiliate for that, you need to have, that's the first thing, which is Bluehost. I promote Bluehost. I've been promoting Bluehost for quite a while, but I haven't gotten serious into it until recently. And as you can see, I've already got 172 clicks and 5 sign up. Now you might be thinking why there's little sign up and I'm getting $300 for that, because I'm usually getting $65 per sign up. Now what does that mean is whenever someone goes to Bluehost using my link and buys a domain name, I'm gonna get $65. That's easy, and that's all you have to do. And you know that in every single day, basically meaning there's more than 1,000 websites being created every single day. So that's clear indication that websites and domains are really hot, trending everywhere, because no one can start a business or website without having a domain name. So that's the first thing. And there's many websites. Now it depends on which one you want to promote. I personally promote Bluehost because first of all, their domain and website is pretty much fast, and they do Bluehost. They do WordPress, so it's very, very nice. So I do it using my blog, which is tageero.com, and I also use Google Ads. Now I started recently doing Google Ads, but I'm gonna also show you how I'm able to do that. I'm gonna also show you how can you get your you can buy PPC links using this website. Get it into the Google basically. So stay tuned and watch this video until the end so I can break down everything for you. Now the first step is basically, if you guys don't have a domain or a website, because you will need that 100%, all right, you need to have a domain name. If you don't have already, which is, I have affiliate link, which is Bluehost as well, there's gonna be link in the description for that. That's the first thing you need to do. All right, now the second thing is you need to build your WordPress. I use WordPress, and as you can see, this is my blog. I haven't posted in a while, but you can see that I don't only promote Bluehost. I promote ClickFunnels, I promote Builderall, I promote many other affiliate products that you can see in my blog. And I also have a lead magnet, which is actually a book that I give away in exchange for their emails. Now I haven't also worked in the website. I'm trying to get a time for that, and to also edit the website entirely and get time for that. So this is the first thing what you have to do is buy a domain. You can also get a discount. There's going to be a link in my description as well for that. And also if you choose to use that link, I'm also going to get a commission. And whenever you type something, for example website, you can see that this one, it is in the number one or top, that people are paying for this to acquire clicks and maybe acquire signups from them. So you can see this is a template, a landing page basically, that they are promoting Wix, they are promoting any other sites, HostGator, they're promoting WordPress as well. They're promoting many stuff in here, and people, whenever they click, they buy from here, they're gonna get paid for that. So these are really top people that they're getting so much traffic. All right, now, and you can also use for that, if you have some budget, you can use Google PPC to run traffic and get your website visible if your website is brand new, and put it up there. So this is something that you can start with. All right, now you need to know that you are going to pay per click for this, but the best thing is you can start with basically by writing content. All right, now if you just come in here, let's just click on any, and you can see that my articles is pretty detailed, and I have affiliate links on everywhere. All right, you can see that I have articles whenever someone clicks, if they click on Wix, I'm gonna get a commission for that. If they click anything here, basically anything that has a commission, I'm getting clicks for that. All right, now this is something that you can build, and if you guys are interested to know more about what I'm using, the theme that I'm using, or how I built this, it's basically somehow a custom build. I use Thrive theme builder in order to build this drag and drop builder, and I have this, which is about me, and also the tools that I recommend and this kind of stuff. If they click on my ClickFunnels, I'm gonna get paid for that. Bluehost, these are the top things that I promote right now. All right, and also whenever someone clicks on any, there's basically an in-depth information about each article that I have, and I really make really high quality articles so that it get ranked on Google, and so that also my articles are pretty much long. Okay, so that's the first thing what you have to do. First one, if you have already a blog, you need to make your blog very high quality in order for the articles to rank. You can also use tools like SEMrush. You can use Oversuggest to get really nice information about what is you need to do in order for you to get ranked, and for low ranking, and basically low ranking keywords, how can you find them? You can use that. And if you want to get instant result, right, you can use the Google AdWord to get instant clicks. All right, but you need to also use basically I use Thrive landing page, which it helps me build something like this. These are basically landing page, all right, that you can build for custom homepage, landing page, things like that, so that you can use these custom, so that you can use them for Google AdWords and pretty much let people sign up using that. Thrive is actually paid. You can get that, and you can start building using that. All right, now what you have to do is first let me show you how you can build this. First thing what you have to do, you're gonna click new campaign. All right, and once you click new campaign, you have to first sign up. If you haven't signed up for this, you can use a coupon code. How do you use that? You're just gonna search on Google and Google AdWords coupon. They will give you either 150, or they will give you spend 25, get $75, which this is going to be the basic start plan that you can start with, and you need to get advantage of that and never waste that money. All right, now you're going to click create a campaign without any guideline. You're going to click search, and then once you click search, you are going to click website visitor. All right, I'm going to add my website in here pretty quick so that you get to know how this is going to work. All right, I'm just going to add my website in here, copy, and then let's go back in here and then paste it, and then you're gonna click continue. All right, now here what you have to do is they're going to ask you where do you want to show it here. Now I don't show it display on network. Right now, this, if you want to show it here, you need to have a really good experience, and basically if you don't look at that, it's gonna waste your money. And if you are promoting Bluehost and all these kind of softwares, you need to make it all countries, because it's not like the others where you have to show it in the United States and all these countries. So you can show it in all countries, and you can select English. You can leave this empty, and you can start with $10 per day. All right, you can start with $10 per day, and then for here, when it says conversion, say it, I don't want to convert, I want clicks, because you're looking for clicks, you're not selling anything. And these are actually it's affiliate where you can track them. All right, now you're gonna leave these empty for now. Whenever you started to get your links, your website getting more traffic, you can add these extensions for later, but at the moment you don't need to have them. And you're gonna click save. All right, next, and this page will come up, and here, as you can see, what is good about this, they are going to repopulate everything that your website is about. So basically my website is about affiliate marketing. They already have all the things that I have. So whenever someone types in these, usually my website get ranked for these, and you can use them, or you can go back in here and click SEO, tools setup, and then click keyword planner. And then what you have to do, whenever keyword planner comes up, what you have to do is basically search for keywords that is related to what you're promoting. For example, we are talking about how to start a website, or maybe websites, or maybe top 10 website, or best website, or something like that, best domain. All of these are something that you can target. All right, I'm just gonna say best domain, and you need to read most of them. And let me just make it a little bigger. You can see that these are something that we need to target. And you see the competition basically is very high. You know why? Because there's so many people running for these keywords, so it's very hard to do an SEO. All right, you're gonna copy them, and then you're gonna come back in here. You are going to paste it in here basically, and there you go. All right, and then you're gonna click next. So this is all you have to do. Google PPC is very simple stuff. All right, now cheapest domain renewal. Okay, I'm just gonna click because I don't know why they're saying this, but I'm gonna request this. All right, there you go. Now here what you have to do is, I usually, you know what I do, I get ideas from the search. All right, whenever I click here, you can see that this one, which is one, the one ranking, I copy it. All right, I copy this. I don't copy it exactly anything they're saying, but I come back here, and then what I do is basically I say best website builder. Basically we are not selling any website, so we're just gonna say best domains top 10 domain. All right, and then we're gonna take this down. This is what I have to do. I'm just gonna copy this one from here, but you don't have to do it. I'm just doing it for the sake of time. But you have to come up with some description. All right, you have to come up with some description that will let people click. All right, now here, this is all you have to do, and then that's all you do, and basically you're done. You're gonna add your link. Don't forget to add the link for the landing page, or maybe your website or your article, anything that you are talking about, and that way you are good to go, and your ads should be running. And that's all you have to do. This is pretty much very simple stuff. All right, now this is how you can start. And the other thing what you have to do is, if you are going to do with the free way, you can start with writing articles. Maybe you can hire someone on Fiverr. There's many people that they charge you $5 on Fiverr that have high quality article writing, and you can start that way. And this is pretty much very, very cool stuff. All right, and it will take you some time, but if you hire also SEO guy, or if you learn the SEO and you get into the SEO world, you can pretty much get your website and your blog into the ranking, and you can start that way getting clicks and getting maybe commissions from there. And the easiest way, or the fastest way, is by using Google PPC and getting your hands dirty with this. And you're not losing any money basically, because you are getting, if you use the coupon, you're gonna get $75 free whenever you spend 25, or the other way around, if you spend 125, you're gonna get also 125 in exchange. That way you need to get as much clicks, or as much basically link clicks, and maybe commissions in the future. That's all you have to do. Now, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and also make sure to like this video if you find this video very valuable. And if you haven't already purchased a domain name, now is your time. You can buy it using the link in the description. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.